of local chickens hits villagers in Kuala Mati area. Good morning and warm welcome to Karbiang Live. I'm Dirbon Kilingpi bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. In the latest development, deaths of local chickens in several villages inside Kuala Mati area under the NILIP MSC have severely affected the people. For a huge number of families, expenditure for the children's admission and meeting their needs in times of emergencies comes from sale of chickens they raise. Though death of chickens in huge number is common seen in the months starting from January to April, poor families are severely impacted by due to the economic source for the yearly expenditure. In addition to this, death of chickens in huge numbers in villages across the hill districts can be attributed towards the lack of vaccination and medicines for its prevention of diseases, or rather, the difficulty in availing it by the villagers. According to villagers, many families in the area keep around 30 to 40 chickens at a time, and the source of money for children's admission, purchase of essential items and needs including rice, clothes, etc. comes from its sale, as the price of 1 kilogram of local chickens costs rupees 300.
Wo nang tuma wo kipang reng awu ta thidun ma
thidun ni lo
jon ana ani siang bong thi
ani siang bong jon thong kep la som si thi bom lo
bang so awu kichi peng pa jawi phan ke na tumpi lo dawai pi ke
khang dawai ta long thi de
long na thema pi de lo di
pi de lo
kenang them e don we na wo ma man de arong tin adon tin awu ta la son no
ni tum e don we la bu lo pu ni lo arong tin awu ta la som si thi bom lo.
Following the deaths of chickens in the area, Kuala Mati inhabitants have urged upon the veterinary department under the Karbiang Autonomous Council to organize awareness camp or trainings, and also to take initiatives to provide medicines for prevention of diseases in chickens to prevent the impact it is having on poor families of the village and across the districts.
Nang tum hem awu ta thidun ma
la pusan lo
kai ta thidun no di
kai ta
wo awu pen
bom lo
mar ju po thi po hason no di dawai ke long thek de ma si la kwa mi thang si pu mar ju bom thi bom ason no di
dawai ke long thek de si niwang ta la pu mar ju ben thi bom.
Samson Ingtis report from Kuala Mati for Karbiang Live. In a report that has come to us from our Volongkomachi correspondent, the residents of Kabir Dharmanagar are facing scarcity of proper drinking water facility despite the presence of the PHE department's supply scheme. The village is located under number 13 Langpher constituency. Here is a report in detail. It has already been 7 years since the PHE water supply scheme was set up in the village. Villagers told Karbiang Live that they received water from the scheme only a couple of months and was then stopped for reasons only known to the department officials. Since then, the scheme has been lying dysfunctional and completely abandoned by the department. Located around 6 kilometers from Volongkomachi main town, this village has a hilly topography due to which it is not easy to get water even if people dig a well. Locals have to dig as far as 80 to 90 feet, which would cost them a great deal. Locals told that every year they face shortage of water as the PHE scheme has served no purpose in solving the problem.
Itu কি গাঁও হয়?
Kabir Dharmanagar.
কবিৰ ধৰ্মনগৰ।
আমি
PHE তো ইয়াত বহাইছে, PHE বহাটো কেই বছৰ হৈছে?
PHE বহা আপোনাৰ হৈ গল 8 বছৰ হৈ গল।
8 বছৰ হৈছে।
আৰু আমালোকে যে ইয়াত পানী পোৱা নাই
ন? আপুনি তো ইয়াৰে হয় ন?
আমি এইটো আমাৰ দেখো গাঁৱহে হয় আৰু।
হয়।
আমি তো বেলেগ জায়গাত থাকা মানুহ নহয় না। কিন্তু পানী চলোৱাটো পানীখিনি যায়গৈ, আমাৰ এইখিনি আগফালে নাবাঢ়ে। হা, এইটো কাৰণে মানে আমাৰ এইটো পানী পাব লাগে। আৰু যদি পানী নাপায়, যদি থাকা কি লাভ আছে? লোকে কিবা লগাব, চব্জি লগায়, ভেন্দি লগাব, কিবা বেঙেনা লগাব, এইটো ইহঁতৰহে কাম দিয়ে, আমালোকৰ কামত নাহে আৰু।
আমাৰ দুখীয়া ৰাইজে একো নাপায়।
দুখীয়া ৰাইজে আমালোকে নাপায়, আমাৰ এইখিনি উপকাৰ পানীহে নাযায়। এইখিনি তল
এৰিয়া যায়, আমাৰ কবিৰ ধৰ্মনগৰ এৰিয়াতে আমাৰ যিকোনো ইয়াতে বসবাস কৰি আছে, কোনো পানী নাপায়।
ইয়াত পানী নাপায়।
Following this, locals have appealed the authority to take up immediate steps to revive the project so that the water problem be permanently solved once for all. Velson Terang's report from Volongkomachi for Karbiang Live. Under the initiative of the Hanjang Langso Sports Association, the Greater Hanjang Langso Inter-Village Football Championship kicked off on Monday. Here is a Day 1 report. The inauguration ceremony of the championship was held at around 3:30 p.m. which was chaired by HSA President Jiwan Chandra Pathak and attended by local leaders including Jona Singh Phangcho, Kamala Kantabe, Longki Rompi and Langtuk Timo. The president also unfurled the HSA flag before the inauguration program. The first match of the tournament was played between the teams from Jangetterang Village FC and Murakordoi Guri Village FC. Right from the start of the game, the Murakordoi Guri FC played attacking football and was repeatedly troubling and breaking the defensive lines of the opponent. As a result, they managed to score 2 goals in the match and came out victorious as their opponent could only give 1 goal. The first day's match was judged by the 3 local referees including Shankar Terang, Lokhi Kilingpi and Konsing Terang. Organizers had informed that altogether 10 teams are participating in the tournament. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.